Hello ladies and welcome to today's Behind the Seams. Well, today we have a big box from Kedziorek.
Welcome, lovelies. Christmas in spring.
It is another day to open up a
great
beautiful box. We're so excited.
So excited.
Yes. So, well, you look lovely.
I feel lovely. I feel very she. I feel I would wear this to a casual wedding or, you know, a chic birthday party or...
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Beautiful colors.
Bryn
in this
Walker.
jacket.
Bryn Walker. It's gorgeous.
Jacket. And look at the pearl buttons.
Yeah, and
so
this
beautiful.
necklace, it's like it was made for this jacket.
I know, the colors in it.
Stunning.
Stunning.
And then, of course, never disappoints.
Ziska double drop pearls.
Yeah, I think every one of you lovely should own a pair because it is such a no-brainer.
I
You
know.
I have those ones from my wedding,
That you
right?
wore, yeah.
And yeah, I grab them quite often, and it goes with everything and anything. Really.
Yeah, love it.
And not always dressy.
No.
You could wear it casual too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And cute frill on the bottom of the skirt.
Yeah, this dress, lovelies, it's amazing.
It's beautiful.
It's so beautiful. I love the taupey color.
Yes.
And it's just like
A-line.
an A-line.
Yeah.
A beautiful neckline.
Really,
no
really
sleeves,
great.
but beautiful sleeve cutouts. Yeah, it's
And
gorgeous.
I love this jacket.
The length of it, eh? It's so cute.
I loved wearing it in the style video I did. I love the length with the long, you know,
Yeah, it's a
dress.
very
It's a
good
beautiful look.
proportion.
Yeah.
And of course the fabric is
Yeah.
beautiful.
The print, it's got like a...
The print,
Yeah,
yeah.
I love it.
Yeah.
It's like goldy, shimmery. It's not shimmery, but it's like, I don't know. It's
yeah,
just
so
little
many
brush
different,
strokes.
brush strokes, that's it.
Yes, and speaking of weddings, Lucy's weddings coming in September.
My granddaughter,
Yeah.
Tessa's niece.
And we got to figure out what we're going to wear.
What are you wearing?
I don't know.
I know.
You know.
Yeah, I'm gonna wear my wedding outfit.
Oh, I love that, Mom. Good for you.
My wedding dress, because I only wore it once
Yeah.
to my wedding, and
I love that, ladies. Like,
Yeah.
you know, you're not just attaching the dress to the event and saying, I'm never going to wear that again because
No.
that was my... It's
no,
perfect.
I felt so good in
Oh,
it.
you looked amazing in it.
And it could be hot, right? It's September, so it could be hot, but it has a little jacket, so
Yeah.
yeah.
We should show a picture of you in it here.
Yeah,
And your shoes. Your shoes would actually look fabulous
I know.
with these.
Oh my goodness, I'm gonna bring my shoes for styling. I should wear them
Styling videos.
Yeah.
You should wear them with a pair of jeans.
Yes.
Flu vogs, ladies. She had flu vogs. If you saw Lucia's video about her wedding, it was so beautiful.
Tessa dashed out to Toronto the day before to pick them up. Oh my God. I think it was so amazing that you did that.
Yeah.
I had seen them online, and of course it was too late. I had some shoes, but they were, okay, mama. But then I saw these online, and I thought, oh my God.
Those are it.
And then we called, and she was going to put them aside. And a few months later, one of you lovelies, who was it, Anne or Marie?
Yeah.
And
Bought them.
yeah. And the sales lady said, oh my goodness, there was a young woman in not that long ago. Her mother was getting married the day after.
And I know that woman.
Yeah, what a small world.
It's such a small
Sometimes,
world. Yeah, yeah.
It's very funny.
Yeah.
Okay, well, let's go.
What about my outfit? Lady, I'm sitting here like...
I'm getting in the
just
habit.
joking.
No, but
No, okay,
when
quick
she
though. But
sat down, I said, Tessa, you look stunning.
Oh, thank you.
True.
I have on the pants, the comfy pants from Ellenbeeka, the black jeans.
With the white
stitching with the Lousje Bean boxy. Love. Look how fun that is. A little angel here. And
Amazing.
Siriglio. Ladies, I wanted to say too, also with Majestic, and we have some new items in our promo 20 section, so 20% off.
Oh, yeah.
For a short time we have Majestic, so this necklace, and our Lousje Bean boxy tops in the prints, so check that section out because we just added some new items there. Okay, so let's get into this. So this is the collection from Poland that we love so much, and very European, hey? Influence, well, obviously, but the fabrics too. But
Yeah.
this is something different and new. So this is a bag.
Pray tell.
Pray tell, look at this bag.
Oh God, it is adorable. It looks like a little skirt, a little mini skirt.
It is gorgeous. I know. Ladies, this is so great for travel. So the bag actually only goes to here.
Oh my goodness.
Inside, but this is the, yeah, it's just a dramatic.
It's drama.
And you could just fold this up and put it in your suitcase or in your bag.
Totally.
Or, you know, and
Totally.
then it's such a great
Oh, can I see
piece.
the inside?
Yeah, of course.
That's always very, oh, it has a nice zipper, a solid zipper.
Yeah.
Very important.
It's got a
inside.
cotton lining.
Oh, it has a, oh, nice. A nice
Yeah,
side
so it just
bag.
goes to here.
Oh, this is so cute. And then this will,
Yeah, it's just a little drama.
like a little skirt.
And
you know
there's-
what I like? These shoulder bands, you know,
Yeah.
that are
Thicker
soft
and
and
solid.
wide, so it doesn't dig into your,
Yeah, and there's a little pouch pocket here.
for phone and lipsticks.
Yeah, but you're right. The shoulder straps are great.
Yeah,
Yeah, beautiful.
great design. Very thoughtful.
Great design. I keep looking down and I keep thinking I have threads on my clothes.
I know,
It's
eh?
so funny because when you're sewing, you know,
Yeah,
when you
you're
clip
always
all your
picking.
threads, and I keep thinking, I'm looking
Are
at
you
you.
still sewing?
Well, you know.
Listen, this lady has so many balls in the air. I don't
I
know
would
how
love to
she
sew,
does. How,
but I
yeah,
don't
I'm
have
sure
time.
how she does it sometimes. She's got 30 balls in the air
No,
at
it's
any
all
given
good.
time.
It's all good. So, ladies, I'm going to show you this one first because this one I love. So, this is very
What?
beautiful.
Oh.
So, it is a tool, sort of duster.
How feminine is this?
So feminine. So it has these 4 buttons here, and then it's open.
Oh yeah. Okay.
So you can wear it, unbutton it, wear it open. Look at the cute little sleeves.
Oh my goodness! And that little front with the buttons.
Yes.
It's adorable.
And then it has the 2 layers all the way
Yeah.
around. I cannot wait to style that up for you. In the next few days, well, tomorrow and the next day, me and Lousje are going to style all these pieces up for you.
Oops.
And show you.
Oh my.
And then, of course, we had to do it in black.
Yes. Oh,
But
Tessa,
how
it's
beautiful is that?
darling.
Isn't it?
Oh, it's darling.
It's gorgeous. It's such
so
a great piece.
Pretty, feminine.
Imagine even in the winter with a turtleneck, you know? Like this piece will go miles in your wardrobe.
And black jeans.
Yeah, wear some denim with it.
Yeah.
They're
That's
so
right.
cool.
Yeah.
I absolutely love this collection. It's so fabulous. Okay, so linen, of course, from Poland.
Linen.
Look at this.
Oh, what is this design? How adorable is this?
So an amazing boxy jacket.
Yeah.
Drop sleeves.
Oh, look at the color.
I know.
The
Isn't it
little
cute?
slits. Oh, yeah.
So there's 3 buttons here, ladies. Their seamanship is so beautiful in the
Yeah.
design. Like, look at these are
This blind
the
closing.
blind, yeah, the blind
Beautiful.
buttons. And then this whole collection has all these little tassels hanging. So they have
Flippy floppies.
flippy floppies. Look at on the arm here
Oh.
too, different lengths.
I love.
I know. Isn't it beautiful?
In another color?
Yes, there's one other color. You're gonna love this color.
Oh, I thought it would be black. Oh, that's a nice surprise.
Yeah. Well, listen, it is spring, summer, and I have to thank you lovely ladies. And I know you love to wear white.
Yeah,
Then
I
how
love to
great would a
wear
white
it.
shirt underneath this be?
And white linen pants.
Yes. Well, how about these linen pants to match?
Oh, an outfit. I love an outfit. Oh,
So look
yeah.
at these.
Oh,
Beautiful.
Tessa.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. That's fantastic.
And then we'll pull one more thing out of the box in a second to wear with it. But just to go into detail of the pants, nice slash pockets here.
Yeah.
Great wider leg.
Right.
Shorter. Love that look, right?
Love in the summer.
Nice elastic at the back.
Beautiful waistline.
Beautiful waistline.
Zipper.
You could tie it here, zipper. Yeah.
Yeah.
Beautiful
Fantastic.
set.
Fabulous.
Fabulous. So we got these darling tops. I'll pick the white first. So excited. I love this collection.
Yeah.
So this can go over those pants with the jacket.
Oh my God. I can't stand it.
This is that European t-shirt fabric
Oh yeah.
that is like, yeah, it's so beautiful.
It's so special.
so special.
And then this
I
gets
know.
me out.
Look
It
at
gets
that.
me
I
out.
know. It's gorgeous.
Oh.
So it's all hand done here.
Big slit.
Big slits on the sides. And then look at, they have these tassels hanging from crocheting,
sides,
really.
yeah.
They've
Knitted.
knitted it.
it's knit.
And then look at, big
Yeah.
slit here with these 2 guys
Oh,
here.
it will just hang beautifully because this fabric has some weight.
Yes.
This is the knit that doesn't cling to all your hubbies and bubbies, you know? No, it's true, Tessa.
No,
it
I
just
know.
falls.
It just falls. And look at,
Yeah.
there they are again. So we did it also out of this beautiful beige color.
Oh gosh, gorgeous.
Look at that. Even with a pair of denim,
Oh yeah.
you know?
Oh
Yeah.
yeah.
This is so beautiful on. We cannot wait to style it up for you.
And in black, of course.
And in black. It's the perfect tee. It's
Oh, yeah.
funky, it's
Yeah.
artsy.
Yeah.
It A-lines out,
Yeah.
yet it has some great detail to it. Look at that
I
pocket. It's amazing.
Love it.
All right, and this, oh yeah, I have to show you this now with the same crochet top. We just got this in black, but this,
Oh,
you can wear this all year.
Mamma mia.
It's like
It's
a cute little jacket cover.
overcoat.
Yeah,
You could wear it.
overcoat, duster.
Oh,
So there are buttons here, 4 buttons, and then it has this beautiful slit.
oh my God, I love it.
And again, these tassels tying into everything.
Can Mama style this tomorrow?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Look at the collar.
Yeah, the color.
It's so
It has this. Oh yeah, it's. I can't say. I'm a little overwhelmed.
It is overwhelming, and that's why we're going to take 2 days to style
Yes.
these pieces, because I think you really need to see everything.
Yeah, because there's so much beauty in each piece, and to do it justice,
I know.
we need to do it in 2 sessions.
Yeah, and I don't know if the camera is going to do justice of what that looks like in person. Because
Exactly.
it's so beautiful.
Yeah.
It's gorgeous. Just the way they play with the fabrics too. That's like 100% cotton wool almost.
Yeah.
And then like on the knit.
The knit.
It's
Yeah.
so beautiful. So this guy is gonna be cute. I'm gonna style this one up.
Oh.
I'm claiming dibs. Look at the stripe. First.
Oh, for the summer skirt.
Yes.
Oh my.
How cute is that?
That is fresh.
Isn't that fresh? So I must tell you, they did have this in a black on black. It was really dark, and I thought, Tessa, don't buy the black.
She's still biting her tongue.
And I wanted the black, of course,
my
but
God.
this I thought, oh no, it's gorgeous.
You mean
We
black on black fabric or black
well, no,
and white?
No, it was this, like, it was this exact.
Yeah.
But this was black and that was black. So it was a bit of a lighter black
Yeah,
and black.
yeah, yeah.
But they had 2 colorways, but I just
Yeah,
bought
yeah. Good for you.
fresh.
Fresh.
It is beautiful. But even imagine with one of those t-shirts, ladies, to a little French tuck. Look at this too. I love that. They do a lot of these floating pockets, like so
it's
cool.
their specialty.
Yeah. So, and there's darts here to give it.
And then great pockets, slash pockets that are functional.
Yes,
Right?
always.
Always. They're
And
pocket
nice.
people, so that's why we like them maybe so much. No, really, everything
And
has
they're
great pockets.
But I must say, ladies, I know from trying the sample on that this skirt does fit small.
I can tell. This is in 38,
Yeah, so,
so you can tell that this is.
smaller fit. So watch on our website in the details. We'll have the fit tips,
Yeah.
which will show what me and Lousje would be wearing in that design. And then also size charts, which are
Yes.
important
Yes.
because I know ordering online, it's a little bit tricky. And with Kedziorek, I find some of their sizing is a little bit, you know, some things are bigger and some things are smaller.
Yeah.
So this you can wear as a set.
Oh, Mama.
Look at,
Oh, my. Oh, I love.
don't you love it?
Look at
Like,
the neckline.
I know. Look,
This
it's like a
little
droop.
droopy. Oh, and this, look at the slits, Tessa.
I know. I
And
know.
then this gathers, I guess.
Gathers in the front, so you can play with how
Oh,
dramatic you want it to
gosh,
be.
Yeah.
So I feel like I'm claiming dibs on this
Oh,
outfit.
my. Well, what can I say?
But even with a pair of jeans, this
Oh, yeah. White linen pants.
100%
white
cotton,
jeans.
ladies.
Yeah.
It feels amazing. And I love the white with the gray stripe.
I love it. I love it. I
Yeah,
love it.
with
Yeah.
jewelry and.
Yeah.
Whew. Okay, this is for you, Mama.
There's more. Wow, what chicness is that?
I know. So this is a metallic linen.
Oh, wow. This is.
Isn't that beautiful?
Oh, look the back. So beautiful.
Duster jacket.
Oh,
Look how
look at
dramatic the
beautiful-
collar is.
Oh, yeah. This is like a mandarin color jacket. That's what it is.
And look, Mum, where the dart is
organized.
placed here.
Oh, how different is that?
Cool, eh?
Yeah.
And then big slit on the side, which we love.
Yes.
Right?
Big pockets.
Big pockets.
Blind closing.
Yeah. And then on the back. And then if you like, you can tie it
You
as
can
a
bring
sort
that
of
to the
trench.
front,
But
yeah.
I think it's just cool.
I would let it hang.
Yeah. Just let it hang. So cool.
Let it all hang out.
So you could wear that open, closed. I mean, there's so many endless possibilities with that piece. And then they had a pant to go with it.
Oh,
Yes.
a different design.
Different than the other pant,
Yeah.
yes.
Oh, nice.
This one's a bit of a smaller fitting one
Yeah.
compared to the other one.
Yeah. Very beautiful.
Nice cargo pockets coming in, a slimmer look.
Right.
Slash pocket.
This must be 100% linen then, right?
Yes.
Beautiful.
Pretty, eh?
Yeah. Beautiful.
I feel like it's the same pattern as like the ones we had here in
in the winter.
Yeah.
And the year before, I had the silver ones, which
That
a
you
few,
have.
and I have them.
Yeah, you love them.
I love them. I wore them the other day. Yeah.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
So
Wow.
last two pieces, ladies.
There's more?
Yeah, two more. I'm so excited. My favorite. What do you think it's going to be?
A black dress.
Black dress. It is a dress, but
Oh.
it's not black.
Oh no! Oh, that's different. Oh my gosh!
Look at this.
Yes, Tessa.
Oh my God, ladies.
Oh.
This will blow you away on.
Oh.
It
wow.
feels so amazing. I remember trying the sample on. It was in this color and it just looks smashing. And I want to point out too, while we're going through this, because I see it right here, but here, you know, these are like imperfection slubs, but that's just how the fabric
yeah,
is in the
yeah.
natural linen, ladies. So
That's the beauty of
that's
it.
the beauty of
Yeah.
it. So you can see here, but that's just
I
how,
love
how
all
the linen
this
goes.
unfinished fraying.
I know.
It's the cat's meow, and even here on the side.
On the side. So this
is a knit, actually.
yeah, this is 100% cotton on top.
Yeah.
And then this is a linen.
Yeah.
And
But-
pockets.
And pockets.
Amazing.
Very nice pockets. Yeah. Oh, I can't wait to see this on you.
I'm gonna style that one up. Okay, and we had to do another color in it.
Black.
No, they had black, but ladies, you'll be so proud of me. I did not pick black because in this color it looked so striking. Navy.
Oh, gorgeous.
But look at the two-tone, how they did it. I think it is so
Oh,
special.
stunning, stunning.
It is
Yeah,
stunning.
Beautiful.
It is so
Well
classy.
done, Bean. Well done. No, really.
So this
Very
is a
nice.
36, which is equivalent, like 36 European, they say is a 6, but you can see how big it is, ladies.
It's big, yeah.
We're dubbing it as a size small.
This will probably fit here, you know?
Yeah, it'll drop really nicely, the sleeve. So you want this to be a bit oversized. We'll do it in the style video, you'll see. But me and Lousje would wear the small in this. I love that it has these pockets.
Oh, God, gorgeous.
Yeah, okay.
Can't wait to see this. And
All
how
right.
much fun can you have with jewelry and a
I know,
scarf and a
I know.
necklace, you know?
Yeah,
Beautiful.
beautiful.
Yeah.
All right,
Okay.
lots of pieces, ladies.
Wow.
We can't wait to style
This was
them
a
up for you.
lengthy, exciting
Video.
video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as we did.
Yes.
And now we get to try all these beautiful pieces on tomorrow.
I know, I'm so excited to mix and match.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's endless.
endless.
Okay, well, please hit a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can reach our content to more beautiful women like you.
And as always, keep on smiling.